Guys, it is time for a new update video on the Bitcoin price because we just broke out of a massive chart pattern on the bigger time frames, and I will tell you exactly what I'm expecting from the Bitcoin price in the next couple of hours, days and weeks. And also, I will give you a massive update on my trades because they just reached $1 million in unrealized profit. So I want to trade the upcoming price movements as precisely as possible so I don't lose any of those unrealized profits. Also, guys, I just wanted to remind you that I predicted exactly what happened within the last 48 hours in my last video. I can show you right now what I said in the last video and how we already knew that Bitcoin would break the $59,000 level and would even skyrocket to almost a new all-time high. Let me show you right now. And we break the $56,500 level, I can already tell you guys I will for sure scale up my longs again, because the price target for this W pattern would actually put the Bitcoin price above the very important VPVR resistance at exactly $59,000. Yes. So guys, you saw that I exactly predicted the breakout out of the W to the upside, and I'd already told you that I will scale up my long positions as soon as we break the $56,500 level. And now that we scaled up our trades, the Bitcoin price just skyrocketed up to the $60,000 price level. But now let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart and find out what we can expect in the near future. So first of all, like I already mentioned in my last video, as soon as we break out of the W, we will leave the very important horizontal VPVR resistance behind us. And we are right now actually trying to leave it behind with today's daily candle. So if we're closing a daily candle above the $59,000 level today, I think our chances are very, very high of breaking the all-time high within the next 10 days, so within the next week or even this week, depending on how bullish the Bitcoin price turns on the smaller time frames. So let's take a look at the smaller time frames. For sure, I want to also show you the bigger time frames, because on the weekly time frame, there's some interesting things developing as well. But for now, let's just keep an eye on the smaller time frames, because there, on the 4-hourly time frame, we broke out of a massive rising broadening wedge to the upside. And as you remember, guys, we had a huge rising broadening wedge on the daily time frame, which actually acted as a perfect reversal pattern the last time when we saw the drop from our all-time high all the way down to the $29,500 level. And now we are forming again a rising broadening wedge on the smaller time frames, but this one already broke to the upside. So now it's very important that this breakout gets confirmed and we are not ending up with a fake out here at this point, and we're falling back below the $59,000 level. So for me personally, I can already tell you I'm keeping an eye on the $59,000 level. I think if we break this to the downside with a 4-hourly candle or a higher time frame, it's very likely actually that we see another drop all the way down to the $55,000 level, and then the chances actually increase that we would fall below the $55,000 level, because then we have a rising broadening wedge which had a fake out to the upside, and it's usually reversal pattern. So this would be a very bad sign for the Bitcoin bulls. But me personally, I expect the $59,000 level to hold, and also on the smaller time frames we have some more support coming in, because we have a very nice uptrend channel on the 1-hourly time frame, which could also break out very, very soon, because the Bitcoin price, like I said, now has all this VPVR support below us. All this resistance that we had to get through is now turned into support below us. So I think there's a very great chance of us breaking actually the $60,100, $60,200 level. And as soon as this happens, I'm very sure that we will reach a new all-time high actually within the next few days. So let's just keep an eye on those two price levels. $59,000 level, I will for sure start scaling down my trades a little bit if we break the $59,000 level to the downside, just because a drop to the all the way down to the $55,000 level gets very, very likely. And for this reason, I would then just take a little bit of profits, not too much, 10-15% of my trades, and I would throw those 10-15% back into my trades again as soon as we touch crucial support, like I said, at the $55,000 level, exactly as we did it the last time. Because as you remember, I also told you at the $57,500 level, if we don't break it to the upside, I'm expecting a drop to the $55,000 level. And I also told you that I will scale up my trades there. So I will do the exact same for the case that we see a bearish outcome here. But like I said, this is in my opinion, unlikely. I think the Bitcoin price will actually hold this $59,000 level because right below it we have all this VPVR support. Other than that, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Now my alarm clock is actually going off. I don't know why. Who wakes up at 11? That's way too late to get to work, so whatever. But still, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like on this video. As always, we reach 3,000 likes on every single video, so please keep this momentum going. Thank you very much for your guys' support. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Leave a comment down below, and for sure, share the video with your friends with the share function so they also know what we have to expect from the Bitcoin price during the next couple of hours, days and weeks. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.